To the next question. Fill in the blank. Inflation causes money to blank its value over time. So remember that inflation simply refers to rising prices. What that essentially means is if prices are going up and the supply of money isn't, or all prices universally are going up, then the value of a single dollar is falling because the purchasing power has gone down, right? If, on average, goods used to cost $5. With $5 in my pocket, I could buy one of any good on average. And then if inflation happens and we average all the prices and it inflates to $7 and I still have $5, even though the nominal amount of money I have is still $5, because all the prices have gone up by 40%, the value of my money has actually declined because I can buy less than one of every good now. And so that changing in prices caused by inflation causes money to lose its value or decrease in value over time. So that's going to be the right answer here. Let's take a look. At the previous tutor's answer. So they said that, as we know, inflation is the increase in the price of goods and services over a particular period in the economy. The money supply is the total stock of currency in the economy at a particular period. The real money supply is the ratio of the money supply to the price. In the case of inflation, real money supply decreases. In the case of inflation, price increases, which means the income or money that is with people to spend on goods and services, also known as the purchasing power, reduces. So we can say that inflation causes money to fall, therefore the blank can be filled with the term lose. Some grammar issues, but the ideas are correct, so mark that as correct.